Welcome to my channel Decor by Amna. I am here with a new video and the video is about kitchen shelf designs. Kitchen shelves new ideas. Here you can see different styles and designs of kitchen shelves. These kitchen shelves designs can be used in kitchen instead of cabinets as you wish. Here are the kitchen shelves designs made of steel material, wooden material and glass material and many more. These kitchen shelves leave a beautiful and decent effect. As you can see, here are variety of open shelf collection as you design by your own choice. Here is a collection of shelves for cup hanging, spice jars, for crockery along with the decoration items. Here is the collection of different types of shelves like freestanding shelves, corner shelves, top hung storage shelves, floating shelves, adjustable shelves, fixed bracket shelves and built-in shelves. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like my video and my efforts then please thumbs up.